If you remember this old school coconut candy, smash the like button on the video. Let me walk you through how you can make yours at home. I have some coconut, I already removed it from the shell and I've already washed it. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. After removing the coconut from the shell, all you need to do is to go ahead and grate it, or you can use knife to dice it into small pieces. Just do whatever that works for you, but grating it is more easier. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and set it aside. Place a saucepan on a medium heat and go ahead and add some sugar. Once you add the sugar, start stirring it, alright? You want to keep stirring the sugar until the sugar turns to syrup. What I mean by syrup is until the sugar is well melted, alright? Once you add the sugar, you have to keep stirring it. Once you leave it, everything is going to burn and we don't want that. Keep stirring, alright? This is exactly what we are looking for. As you guys can see, the sugar syrup is done. Go ahead and add the coconut. Once you add the coconut, start stirring it again. At this point, the coconut has released the water. As you guys can see, there is a lot of juice inside the coconut now. Just keep stirring until all the water dries out. Once the water dries out, you will see that the coconut will start turning to golden brown. Just keep stirring and remember, do this on a medium to low heat, alright, so it doesn't burn. You guys, the coconut candy is looking so good already. At this point, I'll go ahead and add some vanilla extract and some nutmeg. This is optional, alright? I just add it for more flavor and I'll continue to stir it again for about a minute or so and it is done. If you want it to be more brown than this, just keep stirring it until you achieve the golden color you are looking for. But for me, it's perfect like this. I'll just go ahead and turn off the heat. At this point, I went ahead and transferred the coconut into the tray and spread it out and allow it to cool down. Please allow it to cool down before you touch it, alright? This thing is so hot. If you touch it, you will hurt yourself. Allow it to cool down, alright, before you touch it. This about 30 minutes later, the coconut is perfectly cool right now. I just go ahead and mold it into a ball and that is it guys. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.